What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're talking skinny jeans. Now apparently the skinny jean is back and is back in trend, but in my books skinny jeans never left. I've always loved and had a pair of skinny jeans in either a dark blue wash or a black or gray color, and so skinny jeans for me are a timeless essential in my book. So if you're looking for some outfit ideas with a pair of skinny jeans, you're in the right place, because we're going to talk all things styling and outfit formulas for a pair of skinny jeans. So let's jump right in. So for the first look, I like to call it preppy, and what I like doing here is balancing out the proportions of the skinny jeans. And so I'll pair the skinny jeans with an oversized white shirt. In this outfit I'm using a dark wash blue denim, which I'll be using throughout all my outfits in this video. But I've paired the jeans with an oversized white shirt for a really casual, cool look. The preppiness and me buttoning up the shirt all the way to the collar really creates a preppy and kind of cool effect. And then what I also did was pair the whole look with a pair of loafers, and again that modernizes the whole look. Loafers have been in for quite a while, and these ones are particularly chunky, which also then brings a lot more balance to the tightness of the jeans. I also added accessories that are quite chunky. So in terms of balancing things out, I've really gone for things that are a little chunkier, a little more oversized. That way it balances out the very tightness of the skinny jean. And so I've paired it with a pair of chunky earrings too, and that way again it looks really cool and visually interesting and very relaxed. I think when you think oversized and chunky, you're thinking relaxed and, you know, effortless. And so that's the look I'm going for this casual preppy look. And what you can do as well is also layer up the outfit and put a cardigan or a jersey around your neck. This creates more layer, more texture, more visual interest to your outfit, and it also ties in with the cream loafers. And so in terms of color, everything is cohesive, everything looks good, and when you look at it visually, everything is quite balanced. There's chunkiness, there's tightness, there's oversized, so it all looks very balanced and proportioned. Second look, I went with a smart casual look. So if you have a cocktail event, or if you are going into work on a Friday and you want to look a little casual but still work appropriate, this look is perfect for that. I paired the skinny jeans with a pinstripe blue shirt, and then what I did was I grounded the look in black accessories. So I decided on a pair of black heels, pump heels, and a black belt. This way it grounds the look, it makes it look a lot more professional. And once that's tied down, then I add a pop of color with a yellow coat. So this looks professional, but it looks interesting because of the color combination. I think the blue on blue with the pinstripe and the denim is really classic. The print of the pinstripe is very classic, and then tying it in with the belt and the heels really make it look professional. And so this look is just, it's really great as a smart casual look for a number of occasions. Now we're on to look 3, and for this look I wanted to do a travel look. I think skinny jeans are great for travel, especially ones that are quite stretchy. They are super comfortable. They always look a little more put together than a pair of leggings, and so I really like skinny jeans for traveling. And how I paired and formulated this look is that I did a pair of white sneakers. Again, I went for something classic, something plain, so that the dark wash of the denim with the white really goes well together. And then I also paired it with a navy blue top. I mean, navy and blue and white are just so classic. It's a little monochromatic in terms of the jean and the top, which I like. It really creates this kind of cohesive and uniform look. And then the white sneakers are kind of a pop to the outfit. And then to add a little more layer, what I did is I took this trench coat dress that I love so much and I turned it into a sleeveless coat, and I added that to the look. This way it creates an extra layer to my look. It also will help me in terms of the air temperature in the airplane, that I don't get too cold. Because of that extra layer, that will assist me. If I feel like I could get colder, I could always add another layer by throwing on a cardigan over the coat. And so I have layers, I have visual interest, I have color coordination, because the cream and the blues and the whites go so well together. It's such a beautiful palette. And for my final outfit, I decided to create an evening look, and here I really worked on simplicity. I worked on just ensuring that, you know, you look good, you look timeless is a strong word in this video, clearly, but you look timeless, you know, you look really put together, really timeless, really beautiful, but in a very simplistic way. And so what I did is I paired the skinny jeans with a tight top, so it's a tight on tight look. And this isn't for everyone. I think this is very particular to certain body types. If you're curvier like me, I think you can get away with pairing a tight top with a skinny jean. But if you're not, then play around with proportions like I did in the first look, and find a top that works with the skinny jeans for evening, a more evening appropriate top. You know, maybe look for sheer, maybe a peplum style top, or one that is slightly oversized or a little more flowy, but then you focus on lace or sheer material, or just, you know, textures that are really evening appropriate, evening-esque, and make you stand out a little more. But for my look, for this look, what I focused on is a tight top, but then I focused on the cutouts. Essentially a tank top, but when you look at the way they've cut out the silhouette of the top, it really creates something that looks a little more interesting. I paired this with a pair of open-toed sandal heels, just so that it creates more elongation. I look a little longer, a little taller, because the tight on tight and where the jeans cut off can make you look a little short sometimes. So I just wanted to make sure that I looked a little taller, and that my legs look a lot longer. Especially with curves, you can look quite stumpy if things are looking like they're squashed together. So you do have to be careful in terms of proportions and how things look, especially when you are going for a look that is a lot more body hugging and shows a lot more of your curves. Alright guys, I hope this helped. This was just 4 outfits, 4 outfit ideas that I wanted to share with you, and really talk you through how I think through some of the outfits and the formulas that I use when creating looks. It's not always something that I just pull together. I do think about proportions and what I'm trying to convey with my look, and that determines exactly how I'm going to pull the look together. I think skinny jeans are very versatile. I think there's so much you can do with them, and so if you don't have a pair, really think about getting one. I mean, even in the winter time, there's so much you can do with a pair of boots and skinny jeans. It's honestly a great canvas for creating great looks. So I hope this helped, and I hope I've given you some ideas. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.